Apple has finally released the iTunes app on the Microsoft Store, formerly the Windows Store App Store. Microsoft, at its Build conference held last year, had announced plans to add iTunes to the Microsoft Store. While some Windows users were highly anticipating the debut of iTunes, Apple in December 2017 said that iTunes will not be available in the Microsoft Store that year. The iTunes app on the Microsoft Store is similar to the regular iTunes, but now installation updates will be handled through the Microsoft Store Updater rather than through Apple. Notably, the app will only run on Windows 10 PCs with either x86 or x64 architectures. The arrival of iTunes also ensures the software's compatibility with Windows 10's Mode, a more secure version meant for schools and other establishments that runs apps downloaded only from the Windows Store. With the advent of the new education-focused Windows 10s, developers are being encouraged to flock to the Windows Store to make their apps accessible there. The app description on the Windows Store reads as, "iTunes is the easiest way to enjoy your favorite music, movies, TV shows, and more on your PC. iTunes is also home to Apple Music, where you can listen to millions of songs and your entire music library, online or off, all ad-free. Also, get new music first, radio in every music genre, hand-picked playlists, and Beats One Live or on demand." It is worth noting that installation of the latest version of iTunes will automatically replace the version you might have been using on your PC. It is better to back up your data before installing the update. Also, you will have to install the app on your internal hard drive, in case you were wondering whether you could install it on an external disk. Users need at least 476.7 MB of disk space to install the new version of iTunes from the Microsoft Store.